Easy Fiber Gel, step by step. Prepare the natural nail plate. Shape it, thoroughly matte, clean, and degrease. Apply tape bond and wait approximately 30 seconds. Apply a small amount of boost base. Rub it into the nail plate with a gel brush. Cure for 60 seconds. Cut the nail form and fit it to the free edge of the nail. Apply a small amount of Easy Fiber Gel to the nail plate. Create the framework and cure for 15 to 30 seconds. Remove the nail form. Apply a small amount of Easy Fiber Gel to the nail plate. Apply a second coat of Easy Fiber Gel. Build up the apex and shape. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe with an alcohol-based liquid. Correct the shape with a file. Matte, clean, and degrease. Finish the planned manicure. Apply the chosen hybrid top. Cure for 60 seconds.